To attach the legs to the body, you'll have finished round number 5 for the body. And for round number 6, you'll actually be crocheting the legs directly on. So you'll have finished the legs already as well. And the last round of the legs has 8 stitches. You'll actually be pinching it shut and flat to crochet across the top. When you do that, instead of 8 stitches, you'll be going through both of the layers, making it only 4 stitches across. So let's go ahead and work on attaching the leg. We're going to make sure that the right side is going to be on the bottom. So if I want the leg to have the toe facing up, it's going to be attached this way. And I'm going to be going through both the front and the back stitches here for the legs. So as you can see, I went through both the front and the back, and I'm going to go through the first stitch for round 6. So here I'm going to yarn over, pull through, and single crochet, and then go into the next pair of stitches and go into the second stitch for round 6, single crochet. Again, going through these stitches together, single crochet, and the very last pair for a total of 4 stitches across the body. Across the leg. I'm just going to pull this yarn tail up this way so that it's not in my way. All right. So after you do that with the 4 stitches across, you'll see that the legs are now crocheted directly onto the body. And when my doll sits down, it'll have a leg sticking up like so. Now, you can go ahead and single crochet in the next stitch like normal. And if you want just a small gap between the 2 legs, you can go ahead and attach the second leg in the same way as you did with the first. So it would look something like this. This doll has only 1 stitch as a gap between the legs. If you want a wider gap, you can go ahead and maybe do 2 single crochets instead of 1. I'm going to do a slightly wider gap here, so I'm going to do 2 single crochets. So there's 2 single crochets now after the first leg, and I'm going to attach the second leg using 4 stitches across. And I'm sorry about my voice. I've been sick for the longest time, and I'm still, my voice still hasn't recovered. And I've been trying to put off making videos, but it's been hard because I have a lot of new patterns coming up, and I do want to also include a video tutorial with them. So I'm sorry in advance for my scratchy voice here. And as you can see, we're just attaching the second leg in the same way. And you'll notice that you'll want to have, just as a reminder, you'll want to have both toes pointing up in the same direction. And for the rest of this round, you're simply going to single crochet around, putting 1 single crochet in each stitch. So that was nice and easy. If you have a tail to attach to your doll, you're going to find where the midpoint is for the butt. So if the 2 legs are up towards this direction, you're just going to line it up and see where the middle of the back would be, and that would be the spot to attach the tail. All right, so there you have it. That's round number 6 for you. Hope that was a helpful tutorial on how to attach the legs using no sewing at all, just through crochet methods. And hope you'll enjoy the rest of the pattern. All right, thanks so much. Bye now.